This is RD Sharma Solution Class 12, Chapter 19 we are taking. And in Chapter 19 we are taking the VSAQ, Indefinite Integrals. Now in this question what you see here, this is a direct result which we have already proved in our theory. That is, if you write this like this, integration of e raised x, then fx plus f dash x. So we need an f dash x. If it comes, then we can apply the formula. So fx, if we take 1 by x, and if we differentiate this f dash x, what are you going to get? Negative 1 by x squared. And this is exactly what we have in this question also. Negative 1 by x squared, f dash x. Now we are ready to apply the direct result which we have discussed earlier. And the result will be e raised x remain like this. And then we have fx plus constant of integration. So let's write e raised x and fx. As I just told you, we took it as 1 by x. So e raised x into 1 by x, that is e raised x by x plus constant of integration. That's your integral. Now in this question, we have to take a prior notice. What can give you what? So if we take this t equals to e raised ax fx, when we differentiate this dt by dx, let's take any of this as the first function or second function. We will apply the product rule. In the product rule, first we take the first function, differentiate second function, then we add again the second function and the differentiation of the first function. So fx remain like this here, e raised ax will be e raised ax, then ax will be differentiated, a will come. Now if you take e raised x as common with these two terms and just change the position, swap the position of other two terms inside, afx plus f dash x will come. If you multiply this original will come. So this dx I am bringing on the right, dt will be equivalent to what we have in the question. So this whole question, after taking t equals to e raised ax fx, we have got it as dt. So you are actually integrating dt only, which will come as t plus a constant of integration, and t was initially taken as e raised ax fx, that we are going to replace just now. So e raised ax fx plus constant of integration is your final result. Now this is how this will be done. This is a very straightforward question. Just only if you can put t equals to this one, then you are able to solve it. Now we are using a certain direct formula here, integration of 4 minus x square. So this is under root a square minus x square if we integrate. So I am actually integrating this with respect to dx. Dx is outside the under root. Okay. Now when we integrate this, we are going to get x by 2 under root a square minus x square, and then we have a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus constant of integration. Now we can change this question into this form. That is, 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square, and this inside a root. So wherever x is there, keep it like this. Wherever you get a, you can replace it by 2. So this x by 2, which is x by 2 only, under root a square minus x square. So 4 minus x square will come, minus a square is 2 into 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. So only 2 will be the outcome, 2. Then we have sine inverse x by a. So sine inverse x divided by 2 plus constant of integration. Now there is a slight change. What do you think is an error here? Plus this will be plus. So I'll just change this as plus because this is the standard result. So one mistake I committed. I'm very sorry for that. Let's make it as plus. So this is how it will be done. So this is a plus. You need to remember this formula and direct answer can come. Under root a square plus x square kind of formula we can apply here. So we have under root a square plus x square. Let's write the formula, generic formula, which is x by 2 under root x square plus a square by 2 and log base e, we can write it as ln modulus of x plus under root x square plus a square. Now this expression can be written like this, 3 square plus x square. So we'll take x as x and a as 3. So in this formula, just replace a equals to 3 wherever you encounter it. So we are eventually integrating this under root 3 square plus x square dx x by 2, which is this one, x by 2 under root x square plus a square, that is 9 plus x square plus a square by 2, 9 by 2 ln modulus of x plus under root 9 plus x square plus constant of integration. This is your final result. Now this is how this will be done. This is a clearer version of the solution which I can show you. This is how you have to follow the result. Again, the direct formula we are going to apply here, under root x square minus 3 square we can write. Before that, let's know the formula or revisit the formula again. Under root x square minus a square dx, and this will be x by 2 under root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 and ln, that is log base e, modulus of x plus under root x square minus a square. So x square minus a square will come, plus a constant of integration. So wherever we encounter a, we can write 3. Why? Because x will be x and a will be 3 here. So x square minus a square, which is x square minus 3 square. A we will take as 3. So x by 2 under root of x square minus a square, which is 9, 3 square, minus 9 by 2 ln modulus of x. This will be plus under root x square minus 9 plus a constant of integration. So this is your straightforward result. We are just applying the formula which we have learned in the earlier discussions. So just use those formula and you can get the result easily. Now x cube can give you directly x square. So this is very simple. You can take just 1 plus x cube as t. When you differentiate this, dt by dx will be equal to 3x square. That means if you want to replace x square dx with something, it will be simply this x square dx will be dt by 3. 3 you can bring it in the denominator. So we have dt by 3, I equals to dt by 3 in place of x square dx and 1 plus x cube, which is t only, which we have taken. Dt by t is simply log modulus of t, and t we have taken as 1 plus x cube earlier, so you can just replace in here. So let's write the final answer 1 by 3. In place of log modulus t, log 1 plus x cube will be written. So ln, log base e it is 1 plus x cube and plus a constant of integration. This is your final result. So again, very straightforward question. If you have done previous exercises well, this will be a piece of cake for you. Now again, we will just see the denominator. If denominator is able to provide us the numerator, if it at all this is the case, this will be simply a log modulus t question. I am suggesting take t equals to x cube plus 6x square plus 5, and then dt by dx will be what? This will be 3x square plus 6 to the 12, 12x, and when you take this 3 as common, x square plus 4x will come. So dx can go on the right. This will be dt by 3. You can bring this 3 down here on the left. So x square plus 4x dx is already in the numerator. This is dt by 3. So this integration will be integration of dt by 3. 1 by 3 goes out. Denominator whole x cube plus 6x square plus 5 can be written as t. dt by t is simply the log modulus of t. T was earlier taken as x cube plus 6x square plus 5. So we'll just replace this t by this term and final answer will be written. So 1 by 3 ln log base e, which is inside the modulus, we'll write this original expectation as t, which is eventually x cube plus 6x square plus 5 plus a constant of integration. So this is your final result. So this is the reference you can use. Now there are 3 questions coming like this. So I hope you'll be able to do all of this, because if you take under root x equals to t, you are going to get 1 by twice under root x. So dt by dx of under root x, that is the differentiation of 1 by under root x, is 1 by twice under root x. You already know that. Let me just give you a hint. X to the power half we are differentiating. Half x to the power half minus 1 will come. Half x to the power minus half, which is half x minus half will come in the denominator. X half will come. So 1 by 2 under root x is going to come. The dx will go on the right. 2 you can bring on the left. So this will be 2 dt equals to dx by root x. Now this whole will be 2 dt. So this integration will become something like this. 2 we can take it outside. Dt will remain inside. This will be sec square x, sec square t. Alright. And sec square t has a direct integration, which is tan t. So 2 tan t plus constant of integration is going to come. Now just replace t by root x, because which we have earlier taken. So 2 tan under root x plus c is the final result. So there are 2 questions which are coming up. So this question again, just refer to this solution, and the next question will be sine, then will be cos. So sine root x by root x, again the same thing. Just take root x equals to t. other things will follow smoothly, and it will be simply the integration of sine t, which is negative cos t. Next question is even easier, because just have to take t equals to under root x. So this dx by root x will be twice of dt. So you just have to integrate cos t, which will come as sine t, and replacement of t as under root x. So this is very easy question. This question we'll take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Have a good one.